Hi, I'm Emily Brown, and I'm an emerging technology consultant for REI Systems, currently working with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, which is the Department of the Treasury. We are currently building a platform to automate ethics-related processes for employees. This could be submitting financial disclosures, ethics inquiries, and then ethics officials will then go in and make determinations based on the information provided by the employees. Currently, this is a very pen and paper based process, very manual, so we wanted to automate it and kind of take it from pen and paper onto an electronic platform. We're doing so by a very innovative approach using Appian, which is a fast-growing low-code solution in software development.
What motivated you to enter the field of technology?
A couple different things, and it's funny to hear myself talk about technology innovation because I actually majored in business marketing, and I never really thought that I would be in the technology field, especially emerging technology. So I was first exposed to the role whenever I was an intern right before I graduated college, and we worked with the Enterprise Program Management Office, but it was very internal, didn't work directly with clients, it didn't have a very technical side, it was all business related. I then, after graduation, I ended up joining a team as a business process consultant, and that's whenever I was first exposed to the technology field, architects, developers, and building these systems and meeting with the client one-on-one. And that's whenever I really started to realize where my passions lied. And then I actually ended up moving into a role from a business process consultant into a business analyst. And that's whenever I realized how passionate I was about this and how important it is in this technology world that we live in. So it definitely helped me realize what I wanted to do. And I feel very lucky because I found that out very quickly.
So why did you join REI?
I joined REI for multiple reasons. I wanted to further my knowledge as a business analyst, and I knew that I had to get more into a technical mindset, technical role, and grow my skill set, work with other teams and projects in order to do that. So whenever I interviewed with REI, it was a very interesting process. It was very analytical. I met with multiple people, and I knew that they took it seriously. It wasn't oh, where do you see yourself in 5 years? It was, okay, here's a problem. I want you to solve this in front of me so they can see how you think and make sure that you're a good fit for the team. In this role, I actually moved from a business analyst to an emerging technology consultant just recently, which my manager has been very supportive of this role. He knows that I want to further my technology career, and this is the way to do it. So right now we're sitting at the intersection of technology and business, where we meet with the client on one side and we get an idea of how we can build the system, what they need, etc. And now in this more technical role, I can work better with our developers, architects, database consultants, and just make sure that the system is built correctly and efficiently for the client. So it's not just business-based. You have to really be able to sit between business and technology and really bring the two together. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to build an effective system for the client. REI has been very supportive of any training, certifications that you want to build. My manager has really helped me be flexible with my hours, and so I can attend these trainings and events. And I think that's really important. I feel like a lot of businesses don't take personal growth into account, and REI definitely does that.
What advice would you give to a woman who wants to walk in your footsteps?
It's no secret that IT is a very male-dominated field, and it can be very intimidating for a young woman to get her foot in the door in this type of business. I know it was very intimidating for me, especially with someone without a computer science background who doesn't know coding or has never really experienced any of this. So I think it's very important for young females in this industry to just get their foot in the door, be passionate, know what they want, communicate those interests, and really just step forward and feel comfortable.